4, 3, 2, 1.
Protect the furnace at all costs!
That's further counting. I cannot do that yet.
Destruction!
That ability is not ready.
Get those billows pumping!
Bomb bags right.
Bomb bags.
Drunk, did you start left this time?
No, it didn't make much difference.
It's about 13% difference on Phil's bar from this end to last.
I didn't hit them. Oh, really? Wow. Okay,
Yeah.
maybe I'll just start route again.
I need a target.
Bomb bag.
Yeah, bomb back here too, guys. Good job.
One each.
I'm blowing right side, left side. You
Got shield wall up.
Left
Side
side,
the
baby.
operator down.
Turn up the heat, boys! We'll sweat 'em out! I will trust you! Beware!
Right side operator's low.
Alright, good.
Jelly security guard on me. Run.
Felt
That spell did
Good
not
stun him. Move.
Everyone should be on Feldspar, please.
Start getting slag elementals in place.
Rupture's out.
Okay, everybody on your slabs.
Kill that slot.
X. Rolling X, then skull. Alright, he's blowing up. Go to skull.
You get the next cauterize in one. Just clean up.
Fire callers, let's go. Fire callers.
That is slowly charging. 4,
Killed this one at 25%, then move to the next slag.
I've got to come both.
Oh yeah, this one, 50%.
Beware.
Alright, move the slag.
X.
Yeah, keep
Nuke
just
skull.
up.
Nuke skull.
I'll get to dispel. Go to the next as well.
Get it down. Good job.
Clean up.
Fire callers. Range, start making your way to a triangle.
Silence him so you can bring him over here. Alright.
Alright, get enough slag elemental.
Yeah.
On his skull.
Blow it up. Blow it up.
Nuke skull. If you got volatile fire, get out. Good job.
Clean it.
Coming on.
Fire callers just spawn. Let's kill these ones.
Careful, that slag is gonna blow up.
Let it blow up. Get the fire callers.
Don't touch slag elementals. Kill these fire callers. There's some low ones.
Once the
Alright,
fire callers
slag.
down, slag, go to X. Kill X. Bugs, make sure you're in place, please. Thank you.
Alright, burn this. Get
Skull,
away.
go.
I'll get the dispels.
Blown wings.
I'll get the next as well.
That spell is not ready yet.
Good
Yeah.
job. I'll pick up on.
Clean up.
Roaring.
Now. You got it?
Yep.
Clean them up.
Focus, boss, just cleave down everything else. I believe.
I cannot cast that
Make sure if you get melt, you run it back.
I'll be taunting.
Heals on jelly. Thanks a lot.
Alright. Kill the security guard. Keep us up. This is a healer
I got
fight
the guard.
now. When I hit 3, I think we're taunting. Pick me up.
I am out of range.
Big heals on Jelly. Come on, you gotta keep us up. Let me taunt.
Fuck. Yeah. Bad placement.
Any
I'll taunt.
box, please. Box, please.
How much longer on Time Warp?
Minute
50
minute.
seconds.
You guys gotta move the boss up.
Go to the side now. You guys stand behind the boss and drop him off to the side.
The black. The black.
Taunted.
I got shield wall. But you got it, yeah. I'll have vigilance when you hit 3. Alright. Or actually 2.
Yeah.
Keep me up, because I'm still taking damage from this dot. Jelly's gonna be taking a lot too.
15 seconds till hero.
I'm just gonna vigilance. Oh, I took it.
Big heals on tanks.
Give me the
Keep
taunt.
tanks up.
No, I'm good. I'm good. I got
Okay.
it. Mine refreshed.
Hero in 3.
Jonko, move. I got
Pop your potions. Second potions. Time warp. Moving, moving.
Stay alive.
Big heals on tanks. Just keep tanks up. Splash on everyone else.
Taunting.
Keep me up. Keep me up.
Roaring for range.
Keep Jelly up too. I will be taunting in 5 seconds.
You guys gotta move the boss up.
Big heals on black.
Just keep me up. Keep me up. Keep me up.
Keep jelly up. Just keep jelly up.
I'm up. I'm up. Taunt it. Heals on
Use
me.
everything. Healers use everything. Healers use everything.
Kill this motherfucker.
Healers
Dang.
use everything.
Yes.
Use everything.
Jesus
Fuck.
fuck.
Thank you,
Christ.
fucking guy.
Great job, guys. 4 weeks. 4 weeks.
Flawless second.
That phase 2 is so good. It was so,
Yeah,
so
that's
flawless.
how you do that fight. Every one of you guys did a bomb-ass job there.
To my furnace.
I forgot to turn on RCLC.
I'm sorry.
I don't know.
That was
I
amazing.
thought
Do
the
RCLC
girl was gonna
config.
disassemble after that.
I'm sorry.
I
What'd
was
you
just
say? How
amazed
do I
at
do
how
it?
well.
And then just enable it manually.
Ah, damn.
Toggle usage, I think is what it is.
I don't think I'll be able to vote because I already killed this boss in the pug.
Yeah, you won't.
Well, I'll just bonus roll my tier real quick. No problem.
Congrats, Chili.
Nice. Oh,
Alright,
there we
there
go.
we
I
go.
can see it. Alright.
Yeah, but you won't be able to get it, obviously. So.
Oh shit, I
Oh,
just
no,
passed on
obviously.
the tier.
Yeah.
Can you like unloot the boss real quick?
Yes.
Thank you.
There you go.
God,
Make sure you're
don't-
using notes. To use the note section to put how
That
many tier
neck
pieces
is
it's going to be for
insane.
you.
Oh my god.
No gear.
You need that neck?
any of this. Fuck life.
Oh gear. No tanking trinket. Sad times.
I don't
You got
need
that, right,
any of
Thobo?
that shit.
What?
Didn't you get the trinket?